Your cedar fence is a significant investment, and waterproofing it correctly is the single most important thing you can do to protect it for decades. Untreated cedar fence boards absorb moisture with every rain, leading to warping, cracking, gray discoloration, and eventually rot. Cedar is naturally resistant to insects and decay, but that natural resistance diminishes significantly without proper waterproofing treatment. The good news is waterproofing a cedar fence is a completely manageable weekend DIY project that saves you thousands in premature fence replacement. Before buying any products, walk your entire fence line and assess the current condition of every board and post. Look for gray discoloration, surface cracking, soft spots, dark water staining, and any boards showing early signs of rot. Severely rotted boards should be replaced before waterproofing. Sealing over rotted wood traps moisture and accelerates the damage. Gather all your supplies before starting: a pressure washer, wood cleaner, stiff brush, garden hose, quality waterproofing sealer, brushes, and a roller. Choose a waterproofing sealer specifically formulated for cedar. Generic sealers may not penetrate cedar's natural oils effectively. Look for a product that offers UV protection alongside water repellency. UV rays break down cedar wood fibers just as aggressively as moisture does. Begin the preparation process with a thorough pressure washing of the entire fence surface. Use a pressure washer set between 1500 and 2000 psi for cedar. Too much pressure damages the soft wood fibers permanently. Keep the spray nozzle moving at all times. Holding it still on cedar can gouge and fray the wood surface. Work from the top of each fence section downward, letting dirty water run down and away from already cleaned areas. After pressure washing, apply a dedicated wood cleaner to remove any remaining gray oxidation and deep staining. Wood cleaner restores cedar's natural color and opens the wood pores to accept waterproofing sealer more effectively. Use a stiff bristle brush to work the cleaner into any particularly stubborn stained or weathered areas. Rinse the wood cleaner completely off the fence with a garden hose, leaving no residue behind before sealing. Never apply waterproofing sealer over a wet fence. Moisture trapped beneath the sealer causes blistering and peeling. Allow the cleaned fence to dry completely for a minimum of 24 to 48 hours in dry, sunny weather before sealing. Check the weather forecast carefully. You need at least 48 hours of rain-free weather after application for the sealer to cure properly. Test the fence dryness by sprinkling a few water drops on the surface. If they absorb instantly, the wood is ready to seal. Shake your waterproofing sealer thoroughly before opening. Pigments and protective additives settle during storage. Pour the sealer into a paint tray and load your brush generously. Cedar drinks sealer quickly, so keep your brush well loaded. Apply sealer in long, smooth strokes following the direction of the wood grain. Working with the grain ensures maximum penetration. Use a roller for wide, flatboard sections. It covers large areas faster and maintains consistent application thickness. Switch to a detail brush for fence post tops, board edges, corners, and any tight spaces between boards. Post tops are the most vulnerable area of any fence. They face direct rainfall and must be thoroughly sealed and coated. Apply 2 coats of sealer for maximum protection. Allow the first coat to penetrate fully before applying the second. A properly waterproof cedar fence repels water completely, resists UV fading, and maintains its beautiful natural color for 3 to 5 years before reapplication is needed.